Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Journey to a Happy Life. Today I am going to show you my bay leaf plant. So I bought this bay leaf, I think it was August of this year. And then I was really disappointed for a while because um, I thought that this one is not going to grow, but I did some research and it says that it's a very slow growing plant, especially now it's December. It's cold now, so it's very slow. So I'm going to show you guys how's my bee leaf plant doing right now. Okay, so guys, ito na po yung bee leaf ko. So um, this is the one. It's really small, and then I thought that it's just not going to grow, or it might grow during like spring or summer. Pero guys, I'm really surprised kasi may tumubo dito. Look at this one right here, and I am very happy right now because I really thought na ito is going to die or it's just gonna grow like that. And so far it's doing well right now. So now the weather is getting colder every day, so if this one will go to freezing temperature at night or close to freezing, I am just going to cover this plant. So alam nyo naman, ito ang nilalagay natin sa natin, sa adobo at saka sa paksiw na isda. So I've never tried using green bay leaf sa mga adobo, but one of these day, if ito lumaki na, I will try using the green ones. So okay guys, I just want to show you my bay leaf, and it's actually look good right now. I haven't watered this one in maybe 2-3 days kasi naman it's not too hot in here right now, but maybe tomorrow I'm going to water it. So sa online ko po ito nabibili guys. Okay, so I hope you like this video guys. So bay leaf plant is tubo siya dito sa amin sa Los Angeles, California po ako nakatira. So okay guys, I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next time. Okay, bye.